Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got some exciting news about the upcoming Google Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro XL. Leaks have given us an in-person look at these highly anticipated devices, and we're here to break down all the juicy details for you, from design changes to new features. Stick around to see what Google has in store for us this year. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video informative, and subscribe to stay updated and leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. First up, let's talk about the leak itself. We might not have to wait until August to get a full-on look at the Google Pixel 9 lineup. A new set of videos posted to the TikTok account, Pixel_unpacking, shows what appears to be the Pixel 9 and 9 Pro XL, as spotted earlier by GS Marina. These videos give us a detailed glimpse into the new models, and they track with the leaks we've seen so far. Now, let's dive into the design changes that caught our eye. The Pixel 9 and 9 Pro XL are swapping out the Pixel 8's camera visor for an oval-shaped housing that protrudes from the back of the device. And this new design not only looks sleek, but also promises better camera performance. The Pixel 9 Pro XL, as shown in the videos, looks much larger than the base Pixel 9 and is nearly as large as the Samsung Galaxy SS24 Ultra. It also boasts a 3-camera setup compared to the Pixel 9's 2 cameras. Speaking of cameras, let's move on to some other visual changes and new features. The Pixel 9 Pro XL features glossy sides with a matte black backing, while the Pixel 9 sports the reverse. These aesthetic tweaks give each model a unique look and feel. In addition to these visual changes, the Pixel 9 lineup is expected to come with Google AI that lets you save and search through screenshots effortlessly. This could be a game changer for productivity and convenience. Now, let's talk about some of the rumored improvements that might fix past issues. Rumors suggest that Google will replace the Pixel's under-display fingerprint sensor with a faster and more accurate ultrasonic one. This could potentially fix some of the problems people have encountered when trying to unlock their phones. And for those who love a pop of color, there may even be a new pink color option available. Finally, let's wrap things up with what we can expect next. Google is expected to reveal its new Pixel lineup during an earlier than usual hardware event on August 13th. Given Google's track record, we wouldn't be surprised if more leaks emerge in the weeks leading up to the event. So make sure to stay tuned to our channel for all the latest updates and leaks. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace out.